Alright, so today I'm going to show you how I can apply white walls to any tyre you want, which is what I do for a living. And also, if you do like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe if you don't want to miss out on any of the useless facts that I have to share. Let's go. Well, I'm almost down at Pete's Classic Cars, where he's got me booked in to do a few jobs this morning. So we'll get stuck straight into it, and then we'll take a look around at some of the other cars he's got there. Now, I thought I'd give a rundown on how to actually do a set of white walls. In this case, I'm doing the red wall, but it's more or less the same process. So my machine here, which actually turns the wheel, will allow the wheel to turn while I do the job. I use thinners to wipe the tyres down, get them clean, gets rid of any tyre shine and grime that's on the tyres. I use my diamond disc here attached to my grinder, which basically gets rid of any protruding lettering or graphics that are on the sidewall that allow me to roll the paint in. The paint's rolled in with an old school roller, which is based on like a bugle, which was used back in the day for pinstriping cars. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, let's get into it. As for white walling, red walls is pretty much the same, but I always use a white base because red doesn't cover too well. So yeah, we'll let this one dry off and get some
Well, that's it for this week. It wasn't groundbreaking stuff, but I really just wanted to sort of show a bit of an insight on what I do for a living. Hopefully you learned something, or maybe even discovered something you didn't know even existed. You can look me up on Facebook or Instagram, which is Adelaide Whitewall Tyres, or you can just Google it. I've been really lucky to be able to do this for the last 10 years. I've met some really great friends and played with a lot of nice cars over the years. So hopefully you'll tune in next week, and I'll see you again.